Is your Windows operating system reporting the User32.dll failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. This DLL file is a fundamental Windows system library that manages the standard user interface components. It handles window creation, button clicks, mouse movements, menus, and all other basic interactive elements on PC. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like the User32.dll. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the User32 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Please use caution. Replacing the User32.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Windows OS core error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.